Hey, what's good everybody? 4Ride Driver. Sorry about the noise. I'm behind a vent. I have a flat tire. So Acura unfortunately doesn't have a spare tire, so I have to use this now. That's gonna be something. We'll see how this goes, but I have a flat tire. That is some bull shit. No spare. Now I have to go and operate this thing. Acura doesn't have spare tires, unfortunately. I have this stupid pump I'm gonna use for the first time. I'm opening it right now. This is some dog, but it is what it is. First step is to read the manual, go on YouTube. They even have a YouTube thing to check out the instructions. That's hilarious. Bruh. All right, guys, I have everything set up. I have the pump set up in here, and it comes with a power cord that connects to the car. I'm gonna go inside now, turn on the car, so it'll activate it. This is crazy. This is crazy. All right, turned it on. Let's go back, let's go out. Now, let's do the air, right? What else do I do? Put that, I put that. All right. So it says that, I put that, ignition, yeah. Tell me the correct tire pressure is 35. For me, it's 35. So I put it with air. Turn select top to repair. Turn the inflator switch on. All right, so it's under repair. Okay, I put that to repair. That's how to do it. And then after repair, you put C, and it says fill the tire until pressure has reached the place card value, which is between 7 to 10 minutes. All right, it's time to start it right now. So I've been away for 10 minutes, no progress. This piece of shit doesn't work at all. This is crummy, this is crappy. I would not recommend this to anybody. So learn from my mistakes, just get a spare tire, all right? Now I have to call AAA, get this all situated, and go to Costco or some nearest tire place to repair my tires. This is crazy. This stupid kit, this stupid knockoff kit that you get overseas doesn't work at all. I even hear the hissing. I think I ran over a rock or something. Bro, it's 1 PSI. 1 PSI. Oh my God. Damn. You know what? My tires are due to change anyway. It's been, what, 38,000 miles now? And I haven't changed my miles since I bought it, so. There it is, y'all. Good morning. I am at Costco right now. The tow truck actually dropped the car really at the tire service, so I appreciate the tow truck. The service guy dropping my car next to it. To get the keys. Oh. Damn, where are the keys? He says at the driver's side. Man, this tow truck guy is clever. I dig this. He put my cars underneath the floor mat so it'd be hidden. Oh man, very appreciate this. So my tire is 235/40R18. So I have to get one of these ones. I know it's Continental all season. Yep, Continental all season. 235/40/18. All right, I'm gonna replace this. So I got my number right there. So here's the scenario. They don't have the tires that I'm looking for. They don't. So they're gonna see if they're gonna put a run flat, a temporary one, and I have to order the ones. If it helps, that's great. If not, then I might go to a different tire center. But they've been great. Shout out to Costco Tire Center. But hopefully the car gets fixed. Okay, so the new tires are installed. It's the Bridgestone Sport AS Potenza tires. They only had one in stock, unfortunately, but I'm gonna order 3 more for my other wheels to make it all balanced. This is a good set of tires for this car, and I'm gonna order 3. They have a sale in a couple of days, so I'm gonna install that too. So special thanks to Costco's tire station. They did a really good service with this tire, but Moral of the story, get a spare tire. Get a spare tire. Do not suffer like I did. Well, it's not really suffering, but it's just a pain in their ass now. But definitely get a spare tire. Don't rely on that stupid pump that they have. So, hey, what's up, y'all? So I just came out of Costco to fix the remaining 3 tires. They just installed it. So it's the Bridgestone tires. I'll put the information below. I don't know why they installed it like this. Oh well. But all my 4 wheels now have the new tires. Thanks to Costco tires, they put in all the good work there. All 4 of my wheels have been replaced now. They're not stock anymore. They're not the Continental ones. They're Bridgestone ones now. So we'll see how they run. See how they go. So yeah, like I said, folks, don't rely on that stupid air pump that Acura provides. That is garbage. You guys just saw what happened. So I recommend get a spare from your Acura dealership. That will save you a whole bunch of money compared to what just happened to me. So I'm telling y'all this so you learn from my mistakes, okay? All right, I'm gonna be out.